You know that's when they pray. नमाज नहीं पढ़ते जब.
Who does that when they pray?
When you know some people are just reading extra dua and you're just sitting there like what? You're just thinking like इतनी लंबी होती है.
Hello guys, ladies and gentlemen, what's up? Welcome back to another podcast. How's it going? This is your host JAFRY, and with our very beautiful guest today, with the one and only Mr. Hassan JAFRY.
Thank you.
कैसे सनी आप ठीक है?
I'm good.
Nice to
How are
meet
you?
you.
Nice
Welcome
to meet
back.
you too. Thank you.
This is exactly the spot where this channel got started.
Yeah. If
remember
you
that?
guys go back on the videos, I'm the first person to like.
You were the first guest.
Yeah.
You were actually supposed to be the co-host, but then you never wanted to come to Pakistan with me, so
Just tell the truth. You got kicked out of Canada. बता दो. It's okay.
I mean, like,
So guys, officers came to our house and they're like, आपके जो है citizenship जो है खत्म हो चुकी
इतनी
है
ज़्यादा-
और आप निकले यहाँ से.
No, that's not what happened.
That's exactly what happened. So वरना कौन नहीं आना चाहे मतलब कौन ना रहना चाहे कनाडा में है free healthcare.
Hey, the way I look at it, कौन नहीं रहना चाहे पाकिस्तान में.
That's true. That's true.
To those who don't know, Hassan or Mr. Sunny JAFRY is a fellow YouTuber.
Thank
But
you.
before that, I've actually known him for a very, very long time. Because he's a brother of mine, unfortunately for me, but really fortunately for him that I'm his brother. All the support, all the love, all the everything he wants, he has it. You know, yeah. So what's up, man? Life's good.
I'm gonna ask you one question. How does it feel to be brother of Sunny JAFRY? How does it feel?
Quite shitty, not gonna lie.
Of course, you're gonna feel shitty when I have almost almost a third of your subscribers and I get almost more views than you. So who wouldn't feel
You
shitty?
mean, yeah, of course, you do have a third of my subscribers. You're right.
Oh. No, you didn't.
Yes, you're right. 100% accurate. Good boy.
Nice one.
आज admit कर ही दिया.
Nice.
No man, you've been making comedy videos. You made a transition from you used to make vlogs, right?
I used to make vlogs, yeah.
So what happened? What went wrong?
I stopped because no one was
Why?
watching them. मैं देख ही रहा था तो
That's quite
मैंने कहा
honest.
चलो मैंने
That's
कहा चलो बस comedy videos बनाता हूँ बस ठीक
हाँ.
है. Yeah.
That's the whole story behind it.
Yeah,
But
because
do you not think like you were meant for comedy videos more than vlogs?
yeah.
You think so, right?
I love the field of media. Like I am gonna live, breathe, die in this field. I love
Actually,
media. Like I love it.
let me ask you a question. Who's your audience?
Who's my audience?
Yeah.
What does
Who's
that
your audience? Like, what's your audience?
Like
Like-
age wise?
Not age wise, like background wise.
Pakistani people. जी.
कटा हुआ है?
हाँ वो तो
नहीं,
कैमरा
नहीं, वो
कैमरा
तो
टूटा ना.
camera-
मामा चीप लोग आपने एक्सपोज कर दिया ठीक है.
Camera
क्या-
मेरा
क्या-
my mom's like Sunny नजर नहीं आ रहा camera में से, so she was like if you guys heard like a in the background, that was my mom. नहीं वो camera की screen टूटी हुई है. Anyways, you were saying
What do you
Pakistani,
mean by-
right?
Yeah, Pakistani.
So I just like the reason why I asked you this question is like, why have you never thought of moving to Pakistan?
I could, but like it doesn't matter because I'm providing entertainment. I don't need to be in Pakistan to cater to Pakistanis. You get what I mean? Like
Really?
yeah. Like we watch Bollywood movies. It's like, oh, Shah Rukh Khan, why don't you go shoot in Pakistan? वो इंडिया में बैठ के मूवी बना रहे हैं लेकिन हम पाकिस्तान में देख रहे हैं, कनाडा में देख रहे हैं. It doesn't matter.
No, what I mean, look, the point is like, imagine if Shah Rukh Khan lived in Canada and he was an Indian filmmaker. That wouldn't work out for him. The reason why I say that is because, for example, if you want to be a Hollywood star, you have to go to California. You have to go to LA, Hollywood. So
Yeah.
yeah, if you want to be a Bollywood star, you have to go to Mumbai, Bombay. If you have to be a Lollywood star, you have to go to Lollywood. You know what I mean?
If I
So
get a
that's-
drama offer tomorrow, I'll go tomorrow.
Really?
That's the only reason.
You want to do TV? If you okay, let me break it down. So if you had a movie opportunity versus a television opportunity, which one would you prioritize over what and why?
So what do you mean by television? What is that?
Television, like TV shows, sitcom, drama type cheese versus like a film.
I would go to
One
the
is
drama.
you would really.
Yeah.
Why?
I feel like drama is you get more connected to the actor more than movies.
Imagine
In Pakistan.
imagine karo Shahid Kapoor और Shah Rukh Khan Star Plus के stars होते हैं.
Yeah, that wouldn't work out. But I'm talking about Pakistan.
No, but like
Shah Rukh Khan का complete sentence आप अगले episode में सुने.
बाकी का सुनिए अगले episode. नहीं, don't you think that just all forms of media do the same thing? लेकिन I feel film की audience थोड़ी सी मुख्तलिफ होती है. TV की audience थोड़ी सी अलग होती है. TV की audience थोड़ी सी laid back होती है.
Yeah, and then wait, TV you mean as in
Television.
Yeah, like dramas, right?
Okay, I wanna for the people who are watching and for you, TV is a box which gives you entertainment.
Mm-hmm.
The shows you're watching on TV are called TV shows. They're not called dramas. Drama is a genre.
Basically, yeah.
Just like action, just like thrill, just like horror. Drama is a genre. So what you're talking about, Pakistan ke andar kya hota hai ki since every single TV show is based on the drama genre, they have just started calling it a TV drama.
That's what they call it now, yeah.
Yeah, because there's no other genres Pakistan explores.
Mm.
Literally, Pakistani TV or even Indian television for that matter. But if you see, for example, like Breaking Bad wasn't drama.
It wasn't.
Breaking
yeah.
Bad was a kind of like a thriller, action-packed drama TV series. Just like that, इनके ऊपर horror होती हैं, इनके ऊपर कई तरह की होती हैं, action होते हैं कुछ. So हमारे यहाँ इसको drama कहना शुरू हो गए हैं. Although there's like nothing, it's not a word, a standalone के TV show के लिए. It's a drama is like a.
That's what you think.
भाई,
ठीक है, emotional हो
मैं
गया
भावनाओं में बहता जा रहा हूँ
कुछ ज़्यादा emotional हो गए. Relax करें यार. It's okay, it's fine.
हाँ? पाकिस्तानी ड्रामे ज़्यादा पॉपुलर है. नो, मैं वो नहीं बात कर रहा, मैं कंपेयर नहीं कर रहा. मैं कह रहा हूँ ड्रामे जो हैं वो ड्रामा जो है वो एक जॉनरा है. नहीं समझेंगे यार, छोड़ देंगे.
हाँ बस ठीक है, मैं नहीं मानूंगी. अर्तुगरुल के बारे में तुमने क्या कह दिया? मामा को गुस्सा चढ़ गया. मामा को लिटरली गुस्सा चढ़ गया.
For example, Artugul is not exactly a TV drama. It's like it's a history.
It's a history show.
It's a mix of action and drama.
I haven't seen it, but I mean,
I haven't seen it either.
Yeah,
but I have read about it.
Yeah.
It's a very action.
आपको शर्म नहीं आती? हम यहाँ वीडियो रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं. क्या हो गया?
अच्छा हाँ. So if you get a TV drama, you would fly next morning. Fly.
You would fly. You would fly. I get it. You're going to Pakistan in a couple of days, but ये नहीं कि अभी से तैयारियां शुरू हो गई. Fly. I would, to be honest. I would.
Why?
I would just because I have to go be there to do that. But
yeah, but what if I tell you that in order to be in one of the dramas, you have to be in Pakistan.
To be a part of one of the dramas?
What I'm trying to tell you is like if you go to Pakistan now, like if you were living in Pakistan, the process of you or the timeline of you being picked for a drama series or the process would be much easier for the production company or the directors, and they'll take you in it. But if you're like a Canadian, like they don't know, they have like too many options over there. The competition is like,
you know what it is for me is that since you're in the same field as me and we're brothers, I don't want to.
No, you're in the same field as me.
Where? I'm in the same field as you. Okay.
Mama upload na karte na snap.
Okay, since we're both in the same field, right?
Yeah.
And we're brothers, we're family. If I move to Pakistan, I don't know why I feel like we're gonna be building on the same empire. I don't want to do that.
Yeah, but you can always come to Pakistan and get a different house. You don't have to live in the same house. For example, like I'm trying to get another house because one of the place should be a workplace. One of the place should be just like a living place. And I think that's very important. Like everybody should do that. Like your workplace should not be workplace should not be your living place. When your living place and your workplace is the same place, you're not as productive or efficient as you should be. So I really want another place जो कि एक vlogging zone हो.
तो क्या करो? You're gonna kick everyone out. बेचारा हाशिर का career अभी शुरू हुआ है. And you're gonna be like, हाशिर चलो बहुत हो गया. बेचारा दोनों
No, I'm gonna no. what I'm gonna do is like we may live in the same house, but we may just go to another house to vlog and do all the crazy stuff that we're planning on doing. So that's what I'm saying. Like you can easily come and you can get a house on rent. You don't have to buy anything.
Yeah.
It's not like a permanent destination for you. What I'm saying is, why don't you come down and explore Pakistan?
I will one day, to be honest.
If, by the way, YouTube doesn't get banned.
If YouTube. Speaking of that, man, that is so scary. Just knowing, मैं literally आया ऊपर, पापा कहता है बस जाओ, जो school जाओ वापस, बहुत हो गया.
No, I literally,
I
I
was
made
scared.
coffee for myself, and like nobody was home. Like this was like 10 a.m. here in Canada. I made coffee for myself from the kitchen. I walked over to the living room and I see TV. और TV के ऊपर किसी ने search किया था YouTube ban Pakistan. मैंने कहा
Heart attack.
यानी literally मेरे coffee पीने लगा था और like मेरे बीच में ही फंस
But
गया
that's
सब
so stupid. That should not happen. And we were
कुछ.
watching.
Yeah, what
a
are your
cou-
thoughts on that actually?
That's so stupid. You should. I don't want to copy other people because we were watching other people,
Yeah.
other people's opinions. But I agree that like, just because of the entire population, अगर कोई और, but the सबकी गलती नहीं है. Why would you ban YouTube, right? Like there's
Right.
99% of the people on YouTube are comedy, जो भी है, drama इतने, people are living off of YouTube. Like घर पे पैसे कितने आ रहे हैं, bills are being paid. Why are you gonna turn or ban YouTube just because of one person or a couple
Yeah.
of people?
हाँ.
जैसे कुकिंग चैनल्स हैं, कितने लोग औरतें घर पे जो बाहर नहीं जॉब करती वो यूट्यूब से
Basically, yeah.
Yeah.
So my mom's saying that there's so many people that like earn from YouTube, and that's exactly what I'm saying. And
Exactly.
it's wrong कि एक दो लोगों की वजह से you're gonna ban the entire platform.
No, but like what? Let's break it down. So, what एक दो लोगों की वजह से? What happened? Do you know what happened?
I don't know what happened, but whatever happened, even if it's the biggest deal possible, you can't do that. That's like कि PIA flight जा रही है और उसमें से एक plane hijack हो गया, PIA को बंद कर दो. बस it doesn't work like that because
Ooh,
all the other
That's a-
planes
that's a
are
good
going to the
example.
right destination. There's normal people.
that's a
Or
good
YouTube
destination. That's a good.
That's a good
example.
destination.
That's a good example. You know what I heard? I don't know. I don't remember which person was saying that, but like I heard this somewhere that if imagine a library and a library has 2 or 3 bad books, like really bad books that the library itself is not proud of, or the people are not proud of, would you burn down the entire library?
You wouldn't because that's such
Because
a
how
stupid.
stupid is that?
That is,
How
that's pretty
stupid does that sound? So, anyways, it's not even about being good or being bad. It's not about bad apples or bad machliyan or whatever, bad people on YouTube. I think what it comes down to is literally how the freedom of speech is not really
And how is
like
Pakistan?
promoted
And
in a
how is
way, you know.
Pakistan supposed to take a step further and compare to like Western countries if they're
Yeah.
gonna ban YouTube over
how are you
something
supposed to become like a digital economy when you are
You can if you're
moving
gonna think.
towards, or if you're even thinking of, you know, the biggest problem I had, I know YouTube is not going to get banned, okay? The reason why I say that is because there are 2 big players on YouTube now. Like if it was just like us kids just doing this for our passion and making this into a career and living the dream, maybe you know some big guy or some decision could have been made in a court
And that's what happened 3 years ago, right?
longer actually,
Yeah.
but it was closed for 3 years. But I feel like now the players on YouTube itself are too big
They are ARY, Hum
to
TV.
let that happen.
It's not gonna
So
happen.
I
man.
know this is not gonna happen, but the problem that I have is not with the idea. Is not that it could happen or not. If it will happen or not. The problem I have is with the idea itself. How can you even think that you should do that?
Yeah, why
such
would you?
Yeah, that's such a weird way of thinking about digital media, and it all comes down to the way some of the people and the way some of the people think in our country. Like they don't think about the future. Like the future is digital. Like it or not, this is where we're moving as a human species. This is the next revolution or the present revolution, which took place like 10 or 15, 20 years ago. You know, whenever internet
Whenever it
got
happened.
so much accessible and efficient.
Basically, whatever it is, it's such low thinking कि अगर जैसे अब पाकिस्तान में कितने crimes होते हैं, that doesn't mean कि हर घर में जाके लड़कों को जो है जेल में डाल दो. It doesn't work like that. It's because 2-3 लोग अगर कर रहे हैं, अगर 1000 भी कर रहे हैं, there's millions of करोड़ों और अलग करोड़ों बहुत अलग लोग होते हैं जो
भाई नहीं कैंसिल होता है भाई टेंशन नहीं ले
शायद
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
No, I mean, I was shocked. I was shocked to hear that you know somebody is thinking that way. But I don't know. I read a statement today by I think Prime Minister Imran Khan, and he said that no digital channel will be blocked. No digital network will be blocked.
Thank God. That's
Banned.
thank you.
Yeah.
इमरान खान इसलिए हमने आपके लिए वोट किया है. Thank you so
कब
much.
किया वोट?
मैं
झूठे?
गया था, उन्होंने एक्सेप्ट नहीं किया मेरा वोट. कहते आप ट्रैवलिंग कर रहे हैं अभी. But
But yeah.
yeah, can we change the topic or does it have to be one topic?
No, we can change it. You don't know how to do a podcast? We're going to talk about like bunch of different things. So,
Can we talk about the guy who beat up his mom?
yeah.
Okay.
Why do you think that we shouldn't talk about that?
No,
We're gonna
okay.
talk
So what
about
I
a
just
whole
said
lot
that
of
मैंने
shit,
mic
man.
up because I was gonna talk about. I just asked him, can we talk about the guy who beat up his mom? But maybe that was too
Ooh.
serious.
Have you
But-
seen the video, by the way?
I saw the video.
I didn't see the video.
A
I
lot of
can't.
people, everyone I asked, they go like, "Oh, हम नहीं देख सकते video," but
Yeah.
I've seen it. I saw it like 3-4 times.
Why?
I don't know why. I just wanna like. I just can't believe that happened. Like I swear to God,
So
I
why
don't-
would you like? Isn't that disturbing? To
it's really
watch?
disturbing. It hurts me.
I read the title. I read the title, and I was like, nope. That's not like that's some things I just can't do.
You
Some
know-
things I can't see broken bones. You know, on internet when like a compilation of a video where people like soccer players are playing and their bones break and like it's popping out of their skin like that. I can't do that. I can't
Mm.
watch people die. And there are a lot of shit on like social media actually when you think about it. Like there's so many videos on YouTube and Facebook and WhatsApp. People send you the weirdest stuff on WhatsApp.
WhatsApp, yeah.
Like people have sent me people killing one another. People have sent me videos. Abhi yaar wo the poor kid that died
Who?
recently.
I don't know. Him?
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
the video got the video that got leaked.
Yeah.
There was a car and that car just like jumped over like 3 or 4 people, and that was so disturbing to watch. I just can't watch videos like that.
You
I can't. I have like
No,
a really
but
weak
I-
stomach for that.
I watched it and that guy he got arrested, but then he was
I'm
let
sure.
out.
Oh,
He got let out, right, on bail one day.
ha.
He would
I
just-
heard that too. Yeah.
Yeah. There's not even a discussion we could talk because there isn't a discussion. There's nothing we could talk about that. I don't even know. Like I have no words for that guy at all.
What do you mean? You must have some words for that guy. Like, what are your thoughts? Like, what do you think in general? Now that you've brought up the topic, like, let's talk
I
about
don't
it.
know. Okay, I don't even know कि punishment क्या होनी चाहिए इस चीज की. I don't even know. I don't know, honestly. Like I'm thinking the worst of the worst, but I can't think. Like I don't know.
I don't know, but I feel like it doesn't get worse than this. I feel like it doesn't. Like I feel like it's just too. It's just too bad of a crime. It's just too evil of a crime to even consider it. Just a normal assault.
Honestly speaking.
Like in some cases, like the people would rather murder somebody than to do this.
To
do something like that.
to
You know
do
what I
something
mean?
like that, yeah.
People would rather just go out and kill somebody off the street than to do what this guy has done. So I mean, like you're right. Like you can't really talk much about it because there's not much to say about it. But yeah.
There isn't, man.
What do you think, Mom? What should be done with the guy? Coming from a mom.
Mama
Yeah, Sunny's gonna take the mic. Be careful. Be careful.
Mama Jafri, I'm coming to you, Mama Jafri.
Like जैसे सनी कह रहा है कि
माँ, देखे।
अच्छा, सनी जैसे कह रहा है कि नो वर्ड्स. मेरे पास भी वैसे कोई वर्ड्स नहीं है. कोई सजा इसकी मतलब ऐसी है ही नहीं कि जो सोची भी जाए. मतलब इतना बड़ा उसने जुर्म किया है. आई डोंट थिंक सो कि उसको कोई सजा भी.
तो कोई सजा ना दे, निकाल दे ऐसे.
उसको बस मार भी नहीं सकते. जाहिर सी बात है वो भी. लेकिन उसको जेल तो जरूर होनी चाहिए. इतना तो पता.
आपने उसका इंटरव्यू देखा था? Did you see the interview of the mom?
No.
Basically, the mom was still trying to defend the son. कहती कि बस ठीक है, don't talk about him. You know, she said that. आपको
सेम थिंग मैंने देखा नहीं. मैं देख ही नहीं सकती.
उसकी अम्मी बेसिकली ये कहती चलो मैं मेरे बेटे के बारे में ना बोले कोई.
बिल्कुल जाहिर सी.
हालांकि फिर भी अपनी बेटे की साइड ले रही.
अच्छा वो कि जिसने मारा है उसकी साइड ले रही थी.
अपनी माँ जो
है बेटे को डिफेंड करी थी. जब मीडिया अटैक कर रहा था तो बेटे को माँ डिफेंड करी थी.
माँ पता नहीं बहरहाल वो माँ है उसने तो डिफेंड करनी है. लेकिन मेरा नहीं ख्याल.
It's crazy.
Do you think mothers defend children on the stupidest things?
Yeah. Even if they're wrong.
Even if they're wrong, right?
Even if they're wrong. Yeah.
Even if they're wrong.
Yeah, mom.
Come on, mom. You have literally spoiled us.
गलत भी होते हैं तो भी.
You know, I was speaking to my friend the other day and I was telling him like no matter, like especially in our culture, no matter how old you are, you'll still be your mom's baby. little baby.
You will be, honestly.
Like she'll always baby you, always.
Always.
And it kind of like has an effect on on like you being a mature guy, because you've been babied so much that everything to you is just like, oh, like everything to you is like butterflies and colorful like giggles and stuff like
और
that.
वो बेबी पता कौन रहता है जो भाइयों में से सबसे बड़ा हो और सबसे छोटा हो, बीच वालों को जो है ना बस गेट आउट हो जाता है. मुझे तो कभी बेबी नहीं हुआ है.
बहुत baby kids.
अच्छा, what are the Eid plans? Eid पे क्या, what's happening? Because you're flying back on Eid, right?
Yeah. Interesting you said that, but because I don't want to edit it out, but like I don't want to say that. But yeah, now that it's out, I'm gonna fly back on Eid. Eid plans are like, I think I'm getting there on Eid, exactly. And yeah, we have
बकरा शकरा कुछ, any plans?
I've got a guy. No,
a guy को कट कर इतना भी नहीं यार. This is maybe
I've got a bhais.
a bhais.
Yeah, actually, you know what? I was thinking about like Eid and Bakra Eid and like I was just like debating with like a friend of mine, and I just want to know what your thoughts are, and I actually want to know what people are thinking. Like you guys can comment below and tell me. With Qurbani, you know why Qurbani is called Qurbani? Because it truly means sacrifice.
Sacrifice, yeah.
It's Alami is asking you to sacrifice a loved animal of yours. To love an animal, you need to know the animal. And to know the animal, you need to build some sort of a relationship over time with that animal.
But that doesn't happen anymore.
That's what I'm saying. That's where I was coming to.
लोग तो 2 दिन पहले लेते हैं. And they
Exactly. So it has become more of a cultural ritual than a religious act, which was Qurbani. You know what I mean?
Yep.
I don't think anybody or very few people जो के 2-3 महीने पहले जानवर खरीद लेते हैं और उससे relationship build करते हैं, because that's the proper way of doing it.
ये proper way यही तो है कि आप उसको
प्यार करो.
प्यार हो जाए, फिर उसके बाद
हाँ, जब उससे प्यार हो जाए आपको, तब आप उसको sacrifice करो.
वोट फॉर मामा जाफरी अभी आ रही है पाकिस्तान और लाहौर की एमपी पे रन कर रही है मामा. हमारे जो गोट्स और बकरा है मामा चेंज करके रहेंगी. लिमिट होगी 14 डेज तक आपने रखना है उनको क्वारंटीन. उससे पहले नहीं मरेंगे बकरे हमारे, समझ आ गई. वोट फॉर मामा जाफरी है mamajafri.lahorepm.net क्योंकि कॉम टेकन था.
.com taken था. अच्छा. But yeah, that's the proper way of doing it.
That is.
And nobody does it properly.
It's crazy because back when we used to live in Lahore, it was like कंपटीशन होता था कि सबसे बड़ा बकरा होगी, गाय किसके पास होगी
यार. और बहुत बच्चे बड़ी हरकतें करते हैं बकरों के साथ.
मारते, डंडे मारते
हैं और भगाते हैं
और चूहे बांध देते हैं नाक के साथ. लाइक वियर्ड शिट लाइक दैट, यू नो, लाइक.
हाँ, बहुत पाकिस्तान में तो लाइक इस तरह की बड़ी हरकतें होती हैं.
बांध देते माँ, बहुत होती हैं चीजें इस तरह की उल्टी सीधी.
हाँ. नहीं, वो बड़े लोग करते हैं. उनके जो बड़े लोग अंदर चल जाते हैं ना, फिर बच्चे जो हरकतें करते हैं ना. हाँ. वो अब उसको ज़िबा करने का यही तरीका है. उसको गाय को गिरा के ज़िबा करते हैं, बुरे तरीके से गिराते हैं. हाँ, ये तो है.
मामा के आंसू आ रहे हैं, मुझे जाना पड़ेगा. माइक जो बोलना है वो.
एक मैंने वीडियो देखी थी, उसमें गाय खड़ी हुई थी और उसने कसाई ने
आगे आवाज नहीं आ रही आपकी.
वो जो गाय ऐसे खड़ी पार कोई
पार कोई भी है मामा.
गाय पार कोई थी, तो वो कसाई ने क्या किया कि उसके छुरी लगा के ऐसे खड़े खड़े उसको ना, उसको वो क्योंकि वो गिर नहीं रही थी, उसने वो खड़े खड़े उसको ज़िबा कर दिया. सोचो कितना बड़ा जुल्म है ये.
Guys, as I said, mamajafri.lahoremp.com पे जाके मामा पे वोट करें. क्वारंटीन करवाएंगे हम आपके जो बकरों के साथ दूध मिलेगा आप लोग को, ठीक है. बकरों पे डिस्काउंट मिलेगा 20%. जो इमरान खान ने जो हमारा ख़राब कर दिया बकरों को, बिल्कुल फुल प्राइस पे करनी पड़ी है हम सबको. माय ब्रदर, पुअर ब्रदर हैड टू बाय भैंस पर कितने का लिया. मामा जो है ये दुनिया रेवोल्यूशनाइज करने लगी है. 20% ऑफ पे मिलेगा. साथ में उसके बच्चे भी अगले साल वाले फ्री में मिलेंगे. एवरीथिंग फ्री. तैयार हो जाए, जाके हमने जाना है दावत पे. जाए तैयार हो.
कौन सी किसकी दावत पे जाना है सनी?
बहुत बड़ी दावत है, बहुत बड़ी.
बताओ सनी किसकी दावत में जा रहे
You're
हैं? Oh, Ayan Jafri is here too. Ayan, please come. Yo, guys, honestly, like I wanted to do like a podcast with all of my brothers, just like how we did it last year. हमने कब किया था? March में किया था ना last year?
March like 13th or 19th.
March
something like
13th, 19th, इस तरह कुछ करके था. And I wanted to do a podcast with all my brothers, but all of my brothers except Sunny said that they don't want to come in front of the camera, which is weird because like they're शर्मीले हो तुम? किस तरह शर्मीले हो? Okay, guys, go watch the old podcast, like with all of my brothers, and tell me who did you like the most, or
Yeah.
if you have seen it, like tell me, do you think Ayan is Sharmila? क्या? नहीं, सबसे ज़्यादा शेरी के वोट आए थे. Everybody says Sherry is the best looking out of all the brothers. What do you think? What do you think? Who's
I
the
think
best?
Sherry is the best.
You think so?
looking. Yeah.
So why do you make so much fun of him?
Sherry?
Like, why do you?
मेरा अपना शकीर है. He's my twin, right? So I have to like make fun of him. Like.
Yeah, but
it's
do
a
you
must.
think you bother him too much sometimes, or do you think
Some-
that's like
yeah.
a thing between twins?
I
Always.
know with twins and with brothers overall, like you
Yeah.
bother one another, right? But with twins, I think it's different. No one can, unless you're a twin, you can't relate.
Yeah.
I bother him a lot, yeah, a
Yeah.
lot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. And he doesn't really bother you much.
No,
He
doesn't.
actually laughs on your jokes. You laugh at him
I
when he
laugh.
says a joke. You know?
Yeah, I laugh
like
at
that's
him.
the
Yeah,
difference.
yeah, yeah.
बेचारा जब शेरी जोक मारता है तो शेरी के ऊपर सनी हंसता है, और जब सनी जोक मारता है तो शेरी सनी के जोक पे हंसता है, which I think is not fair. हाँ? हाँ.
Yeah, basically, I was just joking with him, and he minded, and then that's
Minded.
minded हो गया है.
हाँ. इस तरह बहुत होता है.
You know when you watch those music shows, होते हैं पाकिस्तान में, इनका इस तरह होता है, इस तरह होता है. हाथ इस तरह हो गया ना.
बैठ जाओ.
सारे म्यूजिक शोज फेक होते हैं सारे फेक होते हैं.
Okay, so you recently went to Alberta.
Alberta, yeah.
Let's talk about that. Like, what was the experience like? I actually want to see the video. I just show me the video of you jumping in a 40 feet high water lake. Was it
Yeah.
a lake or was it a
was
river?
it was a lake, huge lake, and I'll show it to you.
Okay, show me the video. Acha, so this took you. You were telling me this took you 40 minutes. This decision took you 40 minutes.
Yep, and that's my jump. There you go. So this, basically, you could just see that I'm so done. Like I'm trying to get to the other end, and you can't really. The feeling that I got. First off, yeah, it took me 45 minutes to jump. और मेरे सारे दोस्तों ने jump कर ली थी already, and I'm standing there, guys. The distance from the top to the bottom was, I think, 35 to 40 feet. That's 2 houses stacked on top of each other, but you can't tell. लग नहीं रहा कि-
दो floor के दो house. Like for example, this house is
Yeah.
like 20 feet.
Yeah, this house. So 1.5 house basically. और आप अगर इस छत पे भी खड़े होकर नीचे देखते हो, no one can jump, man.
Yeah.
You can't. और ये पानी लग नहीं रहा कि ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैंने ऐसी छलांग मारी है. But it was crazy. All my friends jumped, but it took me 45 minutes. मैं वहाँ खड़ा देख ही जा रहा हूँ. फिर मैंने कहा अच्छा चलो on करो recording, मैं मार रहा हूँ छलांग.
That's insane.
When I jumped, the water was so वहाँ कोई गोरा खड़ा हुआ था. वो कहता है कि this water is 4 degrees. 4 degree नीचे चले जाए, that water is gonna freeze at 0 degrees.
Shit.
It was that cold. मैं गया हूँ, मैं ऊपर आया हूँ, मेरी सांस बंद हो गई. I was literally like done. मैंने कहा यार ये क्या हो गया? It was that.
Actually, you know, like I remember I jumped on my birthday. Like जहाँ पे मैंने birthday party रखी हुई थी अपनी. It was a rooftop of a hotel. तो उस hotel के ऊपर वो बना हुआ था swimming pool, बहुत बड़ा सा. वो जो edge वाला swimming pool नहीं होता, क्या कहते हैं उसको?
And you jumped off of a bridge as well.
Yeah. तो वो उसके ऊपर ना एक छोटा सा bridge बना होता, like maximum ये TV की height कर लो, on top of the TV. That would probably like 12 feet, maximum 12 feet.
Yeah.
Okay. So I got on top of the bridge. It literally freaking like the whole party was like everybody jumped. And they were like, Shavi, you have to jump. I'm like, dude, I have height phobia. When I look down, I feel like passing out.
Yeah.
That was 12 feet. I go on top. The whole crowd is like, Shavir, Shavir. मैंने कहा, Shavir, कर ले. सारे लोग देख रहे हैं. Literally, I close my eyes. I'm like, jump. And then I literally jumped, but I grabbed the railing. So now I'm just like hanging around, you know. So I got back up, and it literally took me 20 minutes to make that decision. With 30, 40 feet height, there's no way I can do that.
But the thing is that, man, I hated just waiting is because it was so scary, and I had the same feeling as you, height phobia. मेरा नहीं दिल चाह रहा था करने का, नहीं दिल चाह रहा था, but it was just like, I have that mentality के, like I'm looking at this video and I'm so proud.
Yeah.
But imagine if I didn't do it, I wouldn't be able to tell you कि मैंने कुछ किया है.
Yeah.
और imagine कि सारे लोग कर रहे हैं और फिर जब घर जाके जब हो जाएगा ना, you're gonna think and you're gonna thank yourself कि यार ये मैंने किया था. Then 20 years later, you're gonna show your kids this video and be like, I jumped.
So you jump. साले नहीं करता, मैंने तेरा बाप ने भी किया.
No, just experience life, man. Like
Yeah.
that's all that is. But I was so scared, and I called you. Remember, I told you that. Listen, I cried after getting out is because the feeling I got from jumping and being in the air, even if the
You felt like zindagi na mila dobara
Zindagi na
moment,
mila
right?
dobara, yeah, bro, because the water was so cold. अच्छा रू फिर आया रू jump मार के आता पानी के अंदर. Me and Ru are jumping from one end. हम पानी के अंदर है, right now we're in the water and the lake is huge, so we have to get to the other side now. हम उस साइड पे जा रहे हैं, आधे रास्ते में रू रुक के कहता है पानी में, सनी I can't breathe. मेरी जान उसने निकाल दी. मैंने कहा यार इस तरह मत बोल, and I'm in the water trying to go. But it's because it's that cold.
Yeah.
It was that cold. And
That's insane.
speaking of Alberta, that is the most beautiful place I have ever seen.
Because that is the only beautiful place you have ever seen on the list.
personal बातें मान YouTube पे काफी पैसे मत बोला करो. I'm going a lot of places.
You know, people who have actually gone to Alberta and also have gone to Kashmir or Hunza, they have put Alberta down on the first sans. They've said like Kashmir and Hunza were way better.
They're not way better, but they're better. Like because I
There you go. That's all.
no,
That's all.
yeah, I'm just saying they're amazing.
Pakistan, bro.
Hunza,
Whatever, bro.
all that places.
चल बचा.
Kashmir, मैं भी पाकिस्तानी हूँ. मैं कौन सा इंडियन हूँ यहाँ है? I'm Pakistani too. I'm just saying कि like,
No, I'm not saying like why do you have to bring India? Like why do Pakistanis and Indians have to bring each other to put like each other's selves up? Like why do you have to do that?
that's true.
You can just be
all
like,
the Indian
okay,
people
Pakistan.
that are supporting me in the comments. Keep watching my monetized videos, and inshallah we will.
No, I'm just trying to say that like all places are beautiful. Even India, यार India के अंदर वो इतनी सारी फिल्में भी शूट होती हैं जहाँ पे गाने शूट होते हैं. वो उनका कौन सा इलाका है?
I don't know, but all countries I think have these mountain areas. That you go
Yeah.
to.
North of क्या बोलूं? Like point is that I have never been to Alberta, but I've also never been to Hunza or Kashmir. But Zaid has gone to Kashmir, and Zaid was telling me that Kashmir is just breathtaking. Like it's something else.
Apparently the जो मैंने mountains देखे थे ना Alberta में, I hiked one of the mountains and it took me 4 to 5 hours to get to the top. One of the guys that was there with me said that Kashmir में जो mountains होते हैं are 3 times this height.
Wow.
They're that big.
That's
Kashmir
insane.
is just mountains and it's huge. Like the mountains are
insane.
just, you can't even see the top.
You know,
of
there's
them.
so many unexplored places even in Pakistan right now. Like I feel like there's so many unexplored places all over the world. Like for example, like abhi pichle dinon ki baat hai, I was really bored and nobody wanted to go out with me, so I just literally took my car and I left. And I went to this amazing location. I just took this road, Bronte, and I
Kept
just
going
went
to the water.
all the way down towards the lake. So yeah. And I eventually stumbled upon this like new land that I had never seen before because I never tried to explore. So just like that, like I saw some videos on YouTube of these like young guys who are just like trying to explore. Like so many people on YouTube are just like exploring places. So I was trying to look into Pakistan ke koi exotic location ho na aisi. And dude, I came across this one video. It's called the umbrella something. I don't remember. Butterfly or
In
or
Pakistan? It's,
Huh. It's called like umbrella waterfall or butterfly waterfall, if I'm not wrong. But oh my god, it looked like. Have you seen Avatar? Avatar के अंदर जो पहला scene होता है ना, जिसके अंदर वो like they're like just going through this, like their spaceship is going through this alien land और वहाँ पे हवा के अंदर पहाड़ उड़ रहे हैं and like waterfalls and shit. It was exactly like that. Like it wasn't like
In
pahad hawa mein nahi the. Like it was so beautiful. It was so pretty that I almost had tears.
Yeah.
I was like, shit.
Man, the thing is that I was watching Kashmir ki videos and all that, right? There were so many vlogs मैं देख रहा था, and there's so much like kachra and stuff on the ground, and I think that we should keep that area clean.
Yeah.
Like we were in Alberta, एक पहाड़ पे मेरा हल्का सा रैपर गिर गया था मेरी पॉकेट से. Literally एक गोरी आई पीछे से, भागी आई. She picked up my wrapper और मेरे पास आके मेरे हाथ में पकड़ाया, कहती कि this is nature, keep this clean. और वो चली गई.
Wow.
So I was thinking, and I was watching the Kashmir videos, we have to keep these areas clean because ganda hoke phir ye bhi, it's going to turn into nothing. It's going to turn into dust as well.
No, you're absolutely right. And I think it comes down to your education.
That's all that matters.
Culturally भी आप किस तरह train हुए हुए हो. तो यहाँ पे जो लोग हैं, like obviously ये बहुत सफाई पसंद मुल्क है क्योंकि यहाँ के लोग सफाई पसंद हैं.
Yeah, basically.
सही है. और जब जो लोग पाकिस्तान इंडिया से उठ के आते हैं, वो लोग जनरली सफाई पसंद उस तरह के नहीं होते, लेकिन वो यहाँ आते हैं, they look at these people and they go like, shit man, yeah, they're doing a good job and we don't want to mess it up for them.
बंदा अपनी country साफ रखे, like that's how you should
so
be.
So when you're here, like, would you ever imagine going on a road and opening down your putting down your windows and throw a wrapper out?
Never.
That's unthinkable. You can't imagine to do this over here. And in Pakistan, I swear to God, like 3 days before I got back, I was in McDonald's. सही है. और मेरे आगे एक गाड़ी थी. उस गाड़ी ने पे किया. Literally, he's driving on the road. I'm right behind the car on a highway. We're going at like 80, and the whole McDonald's bag just out of the car like this. A Mercedes. A guy who seems to be wealthy, in a position where he, he's doing good for himself. So I suppose he's educated. I can only imagine, but he doesn't care. He's not safai pasand.
लोग कचरा भी गिराते हैं, then they complain to sofa बैठ के खाना खा के, yeah, these politicians don't do anything, this that. You're complaining, but you're the problem.
Yeah,
you are that problem. Like जब तक you gotta take your kachra. That's step number 1. Whoever's watching this video, try to focus on one thing this week. एक हफ्ता.
Yeah.
Just try to hold on to your kachra.
Yeah.
You will see कि how much kachra you alone throw outside.
Yeah.
एक दफा अपने जो साइड पे गाड़ी के आर्म होल्ड पे रख लो, जो भी रैपर एक रैपर कप, जो भी whatever it is, you'll see how much you consume, whatever it is, and you're throwing all that
कचरा बाबा जिंदाबाद. हमारा कचरा पीएम बनेगा, हमारा.
I heard your house is haunted.
Oh my god. Let's
So
not get in there.
your house
man.
is haunted?
I
Show the Hash's message.
No, I can't.
You sent that
I
into
can't. I can't.
You get?
I can't.
If you guys heard that,
I can't.
how many likes do you get on this video?
I think like 20-ish Ks.
Okay, if we get
Roughly.
25k likes on this video, he's gonna show the voice note. CD, bas kar de.
No, I can't. I really can't.
Guys,
I
trust
don't
me.
think I
Hasha sent this voice note of explaining something crazy that happened in the house, and my family was shocked.
I can't.
25.
I really can't. I
Oh,
really
you won't do
can't.
it?
I really can't.
It's
I
crazy,
won't.
guys. It's crazy.
But it's insane. But let's not talk. Like, it's scaring me. Like, because I'm going back to
And
that
you're going
house,
back
man.
in
Like,
1 week.
I don't understand. But anyways, moving on. So kachara. So there's so many beautiful locations that I've yet to explore. So I have made a plan for me. Oh, by the way, एक और मैं चीज़ बताता हूँ. जो मुझे, because I've lived in both Pakistan and Canada almost equal amount of my life. I've noticed some differences between the people that live here and over there. I feel like Pakistan के अंदर एक general hopelessness है.
Of what? Like क्या मतलब?
Sense of security नहीं है. ना job में, ना पढ़ाई में, ना life में. एक stress है in the air. I feel like that, like, people stress too much. And part of the reason for that is because people don't know how not to stress.
It's in our culture.
People don't de-stress. For example, like बहुत simple explanations देता हूँ. For over here, when people get married, or when families are being created or whatever, like each family does this like one big trip of another country, you know, vacation time. यहाँ पे jobs जो होती हैं, paid vacations आपको jobs देती हैं. They promote that go and de-stress. You know, यहाँ पे जो in general एक dining culture है, एक restaurant का culture है, that although पाकिस्तान में भी बहुत, मैं ये नहीं कह रहा कि पाकिस्तान में नहीं है, लेकिन वहाँ यहाँ पे I feel like लोग थोड़े से कम stressed out रहते हैं. पाकिस्तान में हाँ. Over there, people are more stressed out.
In different senses.
Different
the
ways.
The thing is, life over here is so much faster than Pakistan, and you know that.
Yeah.
I feel like yahan...
Not faster. Efficient.
I guess. Yeah, people work over here.
Time is money over here.
Yeah, time is money
over here. Yeah.
Every day you wake up, hota hai ki acha maine aaj kaam pe jana hai, maine ye karna hai, wo karna hai. And it's just, I think over here, yahan ka stress thoda different hoga. Pakistan ka, I think there's a different stress.
Yeah.
And life is just different over here, man. I don't know. Just crazy.
Which place would you pick to make your permanent destination if it was a decision between Pakistan and Canada?
Like क्या मतलब मैं कभी जा नहीं सकता पर
नहीं, like if you like one place you want to live in and one place you can just visit whenever you want.
I will live in Canada and visit Pakistan.
Okay.
Yeah. The thing is that honestly speaking, and everyone knows that Pakistan में जो भी बैठा हुआ है, we all love Pakistan. It's just that opportunities जो है थोड़ी ज़्यादा यहाँ है. Healthcare is over here. If you have the opportunity to go to Canada, जो भी देख रहा है, you guys would go. You guys would come here.
I agree
and
with
everyone knows that. Like जिनके पास opportunity नहीं है, they'll be like, Canada के लोग हैं ये वो. But if Canada goes like, अच्छा आप आ जाएं, you will go. You want your kids to become, because the thing is that Canadian degree is different than Pakistani degree. It's just Canadian degree is just worth more, you know, worldwide, and that's just कि country का नाम थोड़ा ज़्यादा जब बनता है, that's लोग भी उतने बदल जाते हैं. That's how it is, and I think that Canada is just.
I think it's really good for exposure. I think the reason why people should travel, it's really good for your exposure.
It is.
Because देखो, actually I was speaking to a friend on this too. कि हम लोग बात कर रहे थे कि ये पढ़े लिखे जाहिल जो concept है, पढ़ा लिखा जाहिल, ये क्या है? कि people are educated yet they talk like they're not educated.
Yeah.
And we feel like that. I personally feel like, honestly, this is just my opinion. Like anybody can say anything right now. Like if you guys don't believe in it, you guys can tell me. But I feel like that people who don't get worldly exposure always almost think like jahil.
Yeah.
Like because they never get to that acceptance stage in their life. They have very low acceptance.
That's with people with closed-minded people. You have to be very open-minded person.
And to be open-minded, I feel like the more you travel, the more cultures you see, the more people you interact with, the more people you go out and meet, the more you're going to be open-minded, the more your exposure will grow.
That is so true.
I
think that even our parents have changed ever since they've lived in Canada.
I'm sure.
Like,
I think we have grown up to be different human beings. Like if you and we grew up in Pakistan, we would be, I feel like, a little different than what we are right now.
We would have been so much different, I feel like.
Yeah.
We would have been.
I'm not saying in a bad way or a good way.
Not a bad way.
I'm just saying like we will be probably different because like these two cultures, they're very different. Like people in countries like Pakistan or India or Bangladesh, like just in general third world countries, don't have the same level of exposure than people in first world countries. Because hota kya hai, everybody wants to go to the first world country. For example, Canada, America, UK. वहाँ पे different ethnicities आती हैं. दुनिया से हर किस्म के लोग आते हैं. So when you go to these countries, you interact with all kinds of people. And जाने अनजाने में, you get to learn a lot more than you anticipated in the first place. आपका exposure बढ़ता है, आपका mind थोड़ा सा open होता है. You get to know about the बाहर की दुनिया कि अच्छा हाँ हमारे अलावा भी कोई लोग हैं, ये लोग अच्छा ये करते हैं, ये लोग वो करते हैं. So yeah, in general, like I feel like that's the effect.
No matter what, एक connection जो पाकिस्तान के साथ होता है ना, like if you like we live here, with the connection we have with Pakistan, that is just different. Like for me,
that's where being patriotic comes in, huh?
Yeah, no, but I'm not even talking about that. All my friends they're Pakistani. I like to speak Urdu. Like मैं सारी movies जो पाकिस्तान की देखता हूँ. I don't even watch Hollywood movies. I'm just not the type to do that. Literally, like मैं literally रहा पाकिस्तान में, मैं body मेरी यहाँ है, मेरा दिमाग वहाँ है. Like बात बदल दे, हालात बदल. मोहब्बत दो साइडों से होती है.
Yeah. I feel the same way.
चलो बहुत देर हो गई 26 मिनट ऐड रेवेन्यू काफी हो गई होगी
खत्म कर देते हैं भाई
बस,
आपको लगता है कि डिनर पे जाना है ना
नहीं नहीं मतलब 15-20 ऐड लग चुके होंगे अभी तक
Sunny has to go to a dinner, so we have to cut the podcast short. Thank you so much for joining us, ladies and gentlemen. If you have actually any questions, put them down below what you thought today. Give this video a huge like. That would help us a lot. Thank you so much for watching, and we will, as always,
catch you guys later. Your next
in the
podcast
next
is going to be in Pakistan.
Not really. I think I have to talk on a couple of issues with Sikandar.
Okay. I'll come in your next podcast too.
It's recorded tonight. Different kapde pehan lenge.
Guys, by the way, go to mamajafri.mp.lahore.com. Vote for Mama Jafri. Bakra Eid Mubarak.
Thank you guys. Thank you so much for joining us. Allah Hafiz. Take care. Bye-bye.